want to hear something weird? The day I planned on doing this recipe, we're doing creamy Tuscan chicken. Okay, sounds good. It obviously sounds good. My dog, sorry. It obviously... She's on a rampage. Okay, quiet. So it obviously sounds good because exactly the day I chose to do this recipe, I saw it, it looked delicious, was 1 year to the day I had done a creamy chicken before. I had shared it and it came up as a memory from 1 year ago. I literally decided to do it again a year later. Now this is a little bit different, got a few different ingredients. It's gonna have more of an Italian, Tuscan, or Tuscany flair, okay? So, so let's get this all started, but first, come on in close, we'll run down all the ingredients so you can see it. Recipes down below, as always. And I hope you guys are enjoying the show because a lot of good things are coming. I got more product reviews coming. I got more Lazy Man videos coming. I got more knives coming. I got more of everything coming. I'm pumped. All right, let's run down all the ingredients. Got Parmesan cheese, sun-dried tomatoes. I added these two ingredients to the recipe. This isn't in the original recipe, but I'm adding it. Putting cherry tomatoes in, onions in. We got heavy whipping cream. We got chicken tenderloins. We're doing a little spinach. Got some paprika, garlic, onion over here, salt, pepper over here. I think we got everything. First thing we want to do is go to the stove and treat our chicken, cook it up. Get it like a medium high, check the flame, yep, the flame's going. Let that warm up. There's a myth. Do you put cold oil into a hot pan or do you put cold oil in a cold pan and heat it up? I just start with the oil in the pan, cold on cold. Some people say otherwise. Okay guys, let's take a look. While the pan is heating up, we're gonna take some salt. We're basically gonna season this. Some salt. Some pepper. Lots of pepper, and a lot of it's gonna fall off, so. Some garlic. And we got some chopped onions. Alright guys, I think our pan's hot enough. It's got some oil in there heating up. Let's see if it's hot enough. Ready? Yep, it's hot enough. Get all your seasoning sides down. You can do this with thighs. You can do this with chicken breast. We're doing chicken tenderloins. Any kind of chicken you want to do it with, preferably boneless. Then we'll re-season everything. Okay, so we're going to turn over all the chicken. Looks pretty good. Get it all turned over. We'll get the other side all cooked up. Make sure everything's cooked. Alright guys, so we're going to, remember these are chicken tenderloins. They're going to cook quicker than chicken breast. Make sure you leave your chicken breast in a little bit longer. Take out all our chicken. Put it on a plate. Take half a stick of butter, drop it in there. I'd lower the flame down to about medium. Let that butter get all melted. And all those beautiful ingredients in there. It's gorgeous. While the butter's melting, your onions you gotta saute now. Stick them in. Okay, let them saute in the butter. Throw it all around. I know we got minced onions in there, but the sauteed onions are going to give it even more of a flavor and texture when you have the final product. And if you want to, you can get a cover for this and just cover it up, and you can just saute the onions with the tomatoes, get them kind of, you'll see them split open. Putting a lid on will make them split open faster. We're going to take a big handful of spinach, throw it in here, let it soften up. Best way to do that Put the lid on. Now, just want to talk about this for a minute. Do you notice we cooked the chicken, grilled it, seasoned the chicken, put it off to the side. We'll throw the chicken back in when we're done working all these ingredients together. You notice that seems to be a trend when making these saucy chicken dishes. So you cook the chicken, put it off, make your sauce, all your ingredients, throw your chicken back in, let it simmer for a while. That is sun-dried tomatoes packed in oil. So we're going to dump the whole jar in. I want the whole jar. The recipe may ask for less, but I'm going for it. There we go. Oh, take about a cup of heavy whipping cream, pour it in, maybe a little extra. There we go. Get it all mixed in. I'm going to apply the chicken back in. Look how beautiful that's looking. I'm gonna have to mix this up. I'm gonna drop this down a little bit. Get everything in there. Get it all mixed together. Hey, you probably want to know how long I'm simmering this for. I got the flame on low. I'm letting it simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes. So my pest control guy just came by and smelled this cooking and just about dropped over in hunger. This smells so good, guys. I wish you could stand here and smell it. But before I go and dive into this, we're gonna add a little bit of, there we go. A little bit of cheese. There we go. A little bit more. There we go. And a little pinch of some green. There we go. That's beautiful. Look at that. Let's cut into it and see what it looks like. Oh, the chicken's perfect. Look at that. That's gorgeous. Now all I gotta do for tonight is butter up some keto bread, put a little bit of garlic bits on top, and toast it in the broiler, and we'll have some garlic bread for tonight to go with this. It's gonna be definite. All right, let me try all these roasted tomatoes, sun-roasted tomatoes. All right, let's try some of this chicken. See how that tastes. The tomatoes, the pepper, the salt, the garlic, everything came together in this sauce. Absolutely amazing. All right, guys, not gonna eat too much of this. Gotta save some for dinner. Tammy's gonna be home soon. I love you guys. This is better than you would understand in video format. If you were hanging with me in the kitchen, I'd give you a bite. But since you're not here, it literally was nothing to throw it all together. So you saw the steps. The recipe ingredients should be down below. And all I can say is, bon appetit.